a brave move from switching to Intel chips to making its own M1 chips last year. And ever since then, the results are incredible and people are looking forward to the second generation M1 chips. The tech giant on Monday night announced the M1 Pro and M1 Max chips that will power the new MacBook Pro at its Unleashed event. And in case if you missed the event, don't worry, we have covered everything for you and you can go and watch it on India Today Tech. In this video, I'm going to keep my focus only on the MacBook Pro. So, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi, you're watching India Today Tech. This is Simran Srivastava with you, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out any notification from us. So let's just get into the video and learn about the new MacBooks. Apple's new MacBook Pro comes in a revamped design and two sizes, the 14-inch screen display and the 16-inch display. A lot of ports also made a comeback, we'll talk about it, but the point to note is the camera features in a notch format just like the iPhone series, so you get a wider display area. Now talking about the ports, as I said, a lot of ports made a comeback with an HDMI port, 3 Thunderbolt ports, an SD card slot, a headphone jack, and also the return of MagSafe charger. Now the biggest highlight of the new MacBook Pro is its chipset.
M1 Pro and M1 Max
are said to be a lot better than other processors by companies like AMD and Intel. Now Apple says that the Pro has more than 33 billion transistors and the Max has got more than 57 billion transistors. And both the chipsets are available for 14-inch and 16-inch sizes. So another major upgrade in the new MacBook Pro is the addition of the ProMotion technology. Now, as you may recall, this technology was introduced with the iPhone 13 series. Basically, it brings 120 Hz of refresh rate to the new MacBook Pros. And also there is an upgrade in the camera system. Now you can do FaceTime and video calls in HD quality. The new MacBook Pro models come with Magic Keyboard that replaces the earlier touch bar with physical key functions and a wider escape key. Not only that, you also get Force Touch trackpad and the audio system is excellent because you get 6-speaker audio system with a support for spatial audio.
If the specifications were not enough, Apple managed to drop a few jaws with the pricing. The 14-inch Apple MacBook Pro price starts at Rs 1,94,900. It is also available for education at Rs 1,75,410. The 16-inch Apple MacBook Pro model, on the other hand, starts at Rs 2,39,900 for regular customers and for Rs 2,15,910 for education purpose.
So that's all about the new MacBook Pro models. They will go sale in India from October 26th. Let me know what you think about them and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out any notification from us. Thanks for watching the video.